Hey, good morning D30. My name is Alan Edwards. I'm with Ferguson HVAC in Johnson City, Tennessee. And I want to introduce you to the Mars 10874. What's great about this motor is it replaces 8 SKUs for our contractor, so they're saving space and money. And they always have the right motor on their truck. Best thing I like to do is engage with a customer and ask them if they're replacing condenser motors. The answer is going to be yes. Pull this motor out of the box and show them how easy it is. Plug it into 115 volts and it's going to run through 4 cycles in both 825 and 1075 RPM and both rotation, counterclockwise and clockwise. Once a contractor has the speed and rotation that he wants, he can unplug it and the motor remembers the last setting it was on. Inside the box is the surge protector. On the other end goes straight to the contactor. There's no need for a capacitor and this motor carries a 2-year warranty. You can find it in the 2020 parts program for $135.99.